Yo, what's good? It's your boy Gifted J, man. You feel me? We finna get into this So Going challenge, you heard? But before that, I just want to say rest in peace to my bro Cliff Notes. We miss you, big bro. You know what I'm saying? We love you. That's a fact. We gonna do this double L style. You already know how we hold it down, you heard? Let's get into this, man. Wow. It's double L, roll with us or get rolled over. Legend life, my nigga, I'm trying to get chauffeured to the studio, drop shit, these some big turds. Gifted with this mean style, how I flip words. Real shit with these lyrics, boy, I put in work. If they ain't trying to believe it, it's cause the truth hurts. Stay oblivious to the fact that we killing shit. Y'all sounding like beginners, some of y'all need a starter kit. Blessing these beats here with proper etiquette. It sound way different, yet but still relevant. Many nights cooking tracks in my residence. I love music, but I still need them dead presidents. Thinking of a come up, gotta stay on my grind. I'm skating on these niggas, tell them to get in line for this road that I spit. Coke balls, but ain't nothing soft about this shit. Hold on. Ain't too many youngins that can spit like this. Make you feel how they felt when they spit that shit. And all you hating ass niggas could get off of my dick. Cause there ain't enough room here for you and your chick. Why you hating anyways? That's the trade of a bitch, not a female, so ladies don't get mad about this shit. Nowadays, shorties is the one with the dicks. Niggas acting like girls, that's confusing as shit. But off that, cause on that I can't spend time saying any little thing about gays. And it's a hate crime, but I can get cold the nigga or get assaulted if the tables was flipped. I won't leave the scene walking, that's bullshit. Black kids getting full clips, white kids attacking cops and getting nightsticks. A black man get caught with a strap, they finna jam his life. A white man catch 2 bodies and another chance of life. People finna try and correct, but nah, I said that right. The way the cops killing, it's like they thirsty to take a life. We got boss up and be what they don't want. Us entrepreneurs are high up in the corporate office, that's real, nigga. And tell me how you feel, nigga. Huh? Let's get it. Double L shit, man. Huh?